this is a stupid idea.
My sweetie, so cute.
You think this is stupid?
It's the best we can do. It's New Year's. And we have a crappy thing of fire lighters.
Yeah. Yep. Yes, all over. Oh my god, you're next to someone's house. Do you even own this one? Yeah. Wait for Zach. Hey, we might want to back up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is a box of what, Jason?
I don't know. Spinny, sparkly fuckers.
And like bombs.
I don't
Smoke
know.
grenades.
I think that's... Ben, what all's in there? Live on the wild side. I'm living on the wild side right now. I'm just not liking it that much. Oh, there you go.
That's a fire.
We're gonna throw everything else we got in here.
What just happened was we put all our lame fireworks in a box and we just lit the box on fire. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Oh my god. There's more. Put
Happy New
the
Year.
smoke things in there.
Huh? Is this like all from the same one?
Yeah. I don't know.
Put them over there. Throw all of them. Wait, I want to put the boat.
Alright, cheers to everybody. Cheers, Nathaniel, Jason, Ben, Rachel, and Stephanie, and me. So we're all here. Happy New Year. Happy New Year's, baby. We're gonna... Alright, that's not gonna be this cool on camera.
Oh my god.
Baby!
Oh my god.
Oh. Ben, you should have yelled big ass titties.
Oh my god, you have been big ass titties.
Maybe we should have opened it.
Still these are blocks on there, dude.
Can I pee on it?
Holy crap, that was green.
That's the plastic burning.
Oh, good.
Woo.
Oh yeah.
Don't tell Victoria. Oh, smell the plastic?
That's cool.
Mm.
Smells great.
I know.
That's not funny, motherfucker.
That's not funny.
Is that it? Is that all we got?
Fireworks, a musical genius.
Let's see it.
What?
This is probably the greatest idea I've ever had.
You have it?
You. I'm pretty sure
Take some pictures.
I took a movie.
Look, they're starting to smell. Amazing.
Jump in the fire! No, Caesar.
Burning down house.
Oh, stop stuffing.
Oh my god, man.
Amazing.
I'm so startled.
Oh god, so startling. Zach.
Deadly.
I'm
So startled. It's a firework guinea.
Okay, now I think it's just. Never mind. It's just a fire now.
We didn't start the fire. It was always burning and Ben put foot on it.
That smoke bomb idea wasn't the greatest idea we've ever had. Is that a fire? There's no way.
What?
That's a truck. I hope it's not a fire truck. That'd be so funny.
Hey, move! Ben's like, you guys better come here quick. See what I did?
Oh, cool.
What? That's cool.
That's cool.
We need to piss it out.
Is this
I gotta be.
Osborne
I was just thinking
style?
about that. Hey.
Peeing on it?
Is this Osborne?
Who do you work for?
Ben.
No.
Yes, do it. One more for good luck.
That's just fire.
It's or not. Every time. We're waking up and
Scary.
That's pretty fun.
I've seen mushroom
Was that
cloud.
it?
Wait, do we have anything else?
We have gasoline.
We have the snakes. Hey, I got some plastic and tape.
Throw everything I got in there.
What the hell is that?
This has been going on for 5 minutes.